Hello everyone, today I will walk you through an analysis that explores data visualization, processing, and machine learning techniques using the Edav dataset. First of all, we can load some required libraries of R to do this work, such as the tidyverse and random forest. After loading these libraries, we can just load the dataset and show its structure by the str function. This dataset includes features such as age, education level, occupation, and hours worked per week of each person, which is relevant with their personal income. These are some basic informations of this dataset. The first thing we need to do is to deal with the missing values of the dataset. We draw a plot to reveal the missing values of each variables, and we can say from this plot that some variables like work class, occupation, and income are seriously missing. To deal with these missing problems, we can just replace those missing values with the most frequent ones because those are all the categoric variables. Also, we can create some new features to enhance our models. For example, we can create a new variable to reveal the workload of each person. If a person's working hours per week is lower than 30, then it is a low workload. If it is between 30 and 40, it is a medium one. And if it is higher than 40, it is a high one. And for the future random forest model training, we can just convert those categorical variables to the factors. After this pre-processing of the data, we can just do some data visualization. First of all, we can visualize the distribution of the income by drawing the bar plot. And here is the result. We can see from this graph that actually most of the people can just get a small income, while very few people can get an income higher than $50,000 a year. Next, we can draw the box plot to reveal the relationship between the age and income. And the result is shown as the following. We can draw that actually the median of the income increases when the age increases. Similarly, we can show the relationship between the working hours per week with the income by drawing the box plot. The result is shown as following. And actually, when you work more per week, you are more possible to get a higher income. After that, we can use a machine learning model to predict each person's income due to its relevant basic information. We finally choose the random forest because it is really a good choice when the dataset has both numerical variable and non-numerical ones. First of all, we can split the data into training and testing sets. And to make it perform better, we can scale the numerical features and standardize it into a reasonable range. And after that, we begin the random forest model training. We use mtry function to reduce the features and restrict the relevant tree size to accelerate the training speed and avoid the overfitting problems. And finally, we can draw a variable importance plot. This is the result, and we can see that some variables like merit, status, and education and age are relatively important to predict a person's personal income. Finally, we use these predict models on test set and evaluate its performance. We firstly show the confusion metrics, and we can say that our model actually achieves an accuracy of nearly 0.85. It is relatively high. And we also draw the ROC curve graph of our model and calculate the AUC value of it. And this is the result. We can finally calculate our model's AUC value is nearly 0.75, and it is relatively high in effectiveness. And this is all our work, and thank you for your time.